conditions like psoriasis. An anti-inflammatory and natural diet influences the growth of good gut microbes and thereby reduces inflammation in the skin. Diet is not just supportive but therapeutic and restorative as well. So, let's know what you can eat for healthy and glowing skin. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, I will tell you the best 10 foods that will significantly reduce inflammation and heal your skin issues naturally with no pills and creams. The first food is your all-time favorite fruit, which is avocado. They are loaded with healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Avocado moisturize the skin, combat oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation. The second food is spinach. It is full of folate, iron, and vitamin A, which supports skin regeneration and immune health. Being a good source of iron and B vitamins, it helps to combat weakness, which is due to dietary restrictions in psoriasis. Well, the third one, an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant food is walnuts. They are high in omega-3s and selenium, which help reduce skin redness and flakiness. You can consume them in smoothies and shakes and even eat them directly. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, B vitamins and fibers. They support immune balance and skin healing. Being rich in fiber, they also support gut health and good microbiota, which is crucial for reducing psoriasis symptoms. Now, the fifth food is turmeric. It has two bioactive chemical compounds, curcumin and turmeron, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. You can consume them by adding them to herbal teas, soups or smoothies. Pumpkin seeds are also a great food options for psoriasis. They are rich in protein, healthy fats, fibers, magnesium, zinc and antioxidants. They support collagen production and reduce oxidative stress. Now, the seventh food is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable has anti-inflammatory properties and helps detoxify the liver, which is essential for clear skin. Plus, they are rich in fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, minerals like calcium, potassium and iron and antioxidants. Apples are also good for inflammatory conditions like psoriasis. It contains the most abundant flavonoid quercetin, which helps reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. Plus, it also aids digestion and supports healthy microbiota. The ninth food is beetroots. Beets are liver friendly and packed with antioxidants, betalains that protect the skin cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. It also purifies the blood and enhances the skin tone. Now, the last food is ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory that improves circulation and detoxifies the skin. Alright, so I have shared the 10 best foods that are good for your skin health and even help manage psoriasis naturally. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune skin condition that can be effectively treated with Bharat homeopathic medicines. These medicines are absolutely safe and effective and bring results in the shortest possible time. They heal the disease from within holistically and tackle the symptoms, invigorate the system and improve overall immunity. Bharat Homeopathy has a track record of thousands of happy patients who are now completely free from psoriasis and living a healthy life with their beautiful and glowing skin. We are a team of experienced doctors who first analyze the patient's condition, understand their constitution, and prescribe personalized and customized homeopathic treatment after a full case taking. If you or your loved one is struggling with psoriasis, then don't worry. We are here to help you get rid of this condition. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.